Hello, good morning. My name is Shanu Arumugam, metric number 254490. The chosen company for this assignment is NGK Globetronics Technologies Indian Berhad. NGK Globetronics Technologies Indian Berhad is one of the famous Japanese multinational company which is located at Bayan Lepas Pulau Pinang, Malaysia. This company has started to operate at December 1994. Previously, this company was named as Nippon Steel and Sumikin Globetronics Technologies Sdn Berhad. And now this company has almost 274 workers who are working in this company. The main product that has been produced by this company is ceramic, insulators, integrated circuits and semiconductors. And the company also provides some value-added services for the customers. This means that value-added services that mean by here is the company will produce like integrated circuits for the customers, and the customers will bought from the company and make renovation based on the demand in the industry. The vision for the vision of this company is aiming for the quality improvement, and they have a high ethical standard in maintaining their products. The mission of this company is provide new value to the society with the latest technology, contribute the improvement of new technology, foster the development of industry, and conserve the global environment. Moreover, this company also had widened their network and the branches to many other countries, not only in Malaysia but also in America, Japan, Germany, and many more countries. Okay, job analysis. Job analysis can be defined as the process of studying the jobs in order to gather, analyze, synthesize, and report information regarding the job requirements and job rewards. Okay, there are three types of job analysis technique, which are competency, job requirement, and job rewards. And this company has chosen competency in order to gather the information on the company strategy. Okay, the job position that has been chosen for in this company is the production manager. There are altogether six production managers, which are placed in 5 different departments. Okay, the responsibility of this production manager is to manage the manufacturing operations in the changing environment and the rapidly changing environment. The second responsibility is that to report all the activities to the manufacturing manager and the vice president of the manufacturing department, and also he or she must be accountable for the planning and managing of the production of products and the daily production of the products. Okay, three method of job analysis is that observation that has been used in this company is observation, interview, and questionnaire. Okay, job description. Job description, the job title is production manager, and then the job location is manufacturing department under the NGK Globetronics Technologies Indian Berhad, reporting to the vice president of manufacturing department. Working condition is hot and noisy. He or she will be having a shift or on call whenever the work are required, and the person must be able to work under the pressure. And then the job duties are strictly implement the quality management system, and then manage all the team manage all the teams within the production department, and identify, diagnose all the problems, operational problems regarding the production. Okay, for the machines to be used is pressing and glazing machines. The job hazards are the psychological hazards, and then electrical and mechanical hazards. For the psychological hazard, example are the stress, workload, shift work, okay, and shift work. Okay, for the benefits, there are two types of benefits provided, monetary benefits and non-monetary benefits. So for the monetary benefits is that allowances, okay, company allowances, annual allowances. For the non-monetary benefits are the uh, facilities like games, sports, motivational programs. Job specification. Under the qualification for this job position, production manager, is that the person must have a degree in electrical engineering or chemical engineering, and then experience 5 to 10 years of experience under the production department or operation. And also he or she must have the knowledge under the occupational safety and health and also EPA regulations, and also must plan and must know how to planning and materials management. Okay, the next one is skills. Must know about the technical and management skills, how to manage a team properly, and then strong leadership and problem solving skills. The person who want to hold this job position must know how to solve a problem well. If in case there is a problem in the production department, so he or she must know how to solve the problem well. And then excellent communication skills, both verbal and written. So he or she also must know how to communicate with the co-workers, so that the communication process could go well between them. And then excellent project management skills and also team working skills. So the person who holds this job position must know how to work with a team, must know how to handle the team properly, so that the production will go smoothly without any problems. Okay, the characteristics is that the person who hold this job must be passionate towards the job, okay, motivated to do the work, so that the production will go well. And then driven with an entrepreneurial spirit, must work for the vision and mission of the company. And then resourceful, innovative, forward thinking, so that they can produce more different kind of products for the company rather than the integrated circuits, okay, semiconductors, insulators, and so on.
Good evening, madam. My name is Hao Chishan, normal metric 253625. I am going to present job advertising. A job advertising is to inform the potential job applicants about the opening of the job position and attract them to apply. So, this is the job advertising of NGK company. Let's start with the upper sections. This job advertising is including the background of the company so that the job applicants have clear insight about the company, which the company is producing ceramic insulators. Next, the purposes of joining NGK company is to allow the job applicants to know why they should join to NGK company. This is because of NGK company seeks for the professionals to enhance and grow in advanced manufacturing operations. The benefits of joining NGK company in the advertising is to attract the job seekers to apply for the jobs, and they will be understanding the benefits that provided by the company. Besides, the working conditions is to allow the job applicants have better understanding of the job condition so that the job applicants who are willing to apply for the positions, which means they are ready to take risks for the jobs. In the lower sections, there are job description and job specifications, which allow the job applicants understanding the job scope and requirements needed for the job. Thus, based on the job description and job specifications, the job applicants will understand the duties and responsibility of the production manager, and they can apply for the positions who are fulfilled with the job requirements. Lastly, the locations and contact of the company should include in the advertising so that the job applicants will know the working locations, which is in Bayan Lepas, Pulau Pinang, and who are interested with the production manager and fulfill all the requirements can send their resume to the emails of the company. The job advertising of NGK company is based on realistic message to project pros and cons about the job. A realistic job review is a recruiting tool to use to highlight the both good and bad aspect of the job. The realistic message content in job advertising allow the job seeker to understand the job requirements and they have clear insight of the working condition, so that the job seeker who accepted this job either they have proper preparations or similar working experiences. As mentioned in the job advertising of NGK company, the working conditions of production manager may work in conditions that are hot and noisy. This is because of hot weather and the heat trap inside the building without proper ventilations, resulting extreme heat. Thus, the working conditions at factory could be hot. Besides, the noises produced from the mechanicals will be hazard to employees' hearings as the sound is quite loud. Therefore, if the job applicants are willing to apply for this position, which means they are ready to take risks for the job. The realistic message method will help to reduce the turnover rate in the company because the information will allow the job seekers to determine whether the job is good match for them so that they can decide if they should go forward with applying for the job. That's all for me. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Liao Shi and my metric number is 253586 and I am from Staffing Group A. Today I would like to present the method of advertising. Advertising is a type of marketing communication used to promote or sell something, for example, service or idea. A job advertisement is an announcement of an open job position. The main purpose of a job advertisement is to inform potential job candidates about a new opening job and attract them to apply. we would like to study two methods of advertisement used to the job advertisement, which is print advertising and online advertising. Print advertisement that are printed in some type of paper handled by the potential audience, and it is widely used form of advertising. Anything written into the print media to grab the attention of a specific target audience come under the purview of print advertising. Typically, print advertising can be split into three subcategories. One of subcategories is periodical advertising, which is come out at regular interval. Another subcategory is brochure, leaflet, flyers, handout, and point of sale advertising, which is from sit on the counter of customer service desk to a glossy car brochure. The last subcategory is direct mail advertising. It simply means that we printed piece are mailed directly to the customer. However, online advertising is a marketing strategy that involves the use of internet as a medium. The explosive growth of internet has created an unprecedented access to thousands of jobs. The internet can be a cost-effective way to recruit job seekers or right candidates. According to Techopedia, the major advantage of online advertising is the quick promotion of product information without geographical boundary limit. A major challenge is the evolving field of interactive advertising, which poses new challenge for online advertisers. Employers need to create more attractive or creative posts to attract more candidates. This is some example of social media used in the online advertising, which is Google AdWords and Access. By using the keyword or the common search term, which is related to the job position. Another example of social media is linker advertising. Company can create a business page and post content, video, product offering on their page as a way to reaching the million of linker users. As a company, we would prefer the company choose online advertising to apply their job advertisement. The reason does not choose print advertising is because print advertising are only effective way when people see them. The print advertising is the publication have gone down because internet has a wider reach online. To overcome the scenario, new strategies have to develop by advertiser and the print media. However, the social media is one of the best way of people connect with one another. There has a research found that some 3.8 million people use social media, which is more than half of the world population. Most of them are spend more time on social media compared to others. Although the company and need to take a risk for facing the people who choose to cop out while they have make the appointment with the company will still have chance to select the potential candidate that can privilege some contribution to the company in the future. After weigh the pros and cons, online advertising is still better than print advertising.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Nur Ayuni Fazana binti Zulkifli. My metric number is 268040. Today, I would like to present about selection tools. Selection tools is a process of selecting a qualified person from a group of applicants that is the best suited for a particular position and the organization. Properly matching people with jobs and the organization is a goal of the selection process. The requirement for a selection system are knowledge, skills, ability, and other characteristics. NGK Globaltronic Technology use two methods of selection tools, which is employment interview and job performance and work sample test. First, employment interview. Employment interview is one of the initial and primary method the company use in selection process. Interview is a goal-oriented conversation in which an interviewer and an applicant exchange information. During the interviewer often asks the applicant related to job course, training and job experience in the field of production. The company need production manager who can identify, diagnose, and resolve all operational problems related to production of ceramic materials. The company use employment interview as a selection tools to select the best candidate for production manager. Person job fit. Job requirement for production manager should be expressed in terms of both tasks involved and KSAO needed to perform those tasks. The reason why employment interview able to match the quality of person job fit in this company are applicants who apply for the job have a job knowledge and also training and job experience in the operational field. Person organization fit. The interviewer evaluate person organization fit according to the company's attribute and not just their personal preference. Based on their job and training experience in the field of production manager, human resource manager are able to predict their job performance in the future. Next, job performance and work sample test. Work sample test is a test that requires an applicant to perform a task or set of tasks representative of the job. This method is used for judging a person's ability to do an assigned job and evaluating them based on their performance in the particular job. As for production manager in this company, they use an assessment center for selection process. There are few types of assessment center tests such as in-basket test, leaderless discussion group, and low-fidelity simulation. Person job fit. All candidates for production manager in this company will be assessing the required applicant to perform activities similar with production manager actual tasks. Person organization fit. The company seeks to determine how well the person match not only the job but also the organization. The applicant will be assessing how well they will fit into this company and also how well they will match the specific jobs requirement and rewards in the company. That's all from me. Thank you.